Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am excited because I am back and I have a recipe video for you guys today. It's gonna be hella good and it's gonna be really easy to make and I'm really excited. Hey guys, there's like crumbs. I'm literally kneeling on the floor. Why am I this way? I'm literally on the floor because I'm gonna put the camera on the tripod, but I'm too lazy to do it right now, so I'm just gonna do this intro on the floor. It's dinner time and today I'm gonna be making ahi tuna steak and brown rice with the kale and spinach salad. This is a really easy, simple dinner recipe for one. Lately, I've been having an on and off relationship with cooking during quarantine. Sometimes I'm really into it. It's so therapeutic and it's fun to make your own meals. And other times I am not as into it, but I'll do it. But I want the recipe to be really easy, low fuss, and just quick to make. So this recipe is, okay, this recipe only takes it takes 30 minutes, but not because it's 30 minutes of cook time, but it's gonna be 20 minutes of marinating the tuna, and then it's probably like not even 5 minutes of cook time and then 5 minutes of assembly. So it's a really easy recipe. I got you, okay? Nobody wants to be, okay, another thing. Why am I on the floor? This is a stupid decision. I have old knobby knees. Okay, let's stand up now. My knees are too old for that shit. Dinner for one, if you're single, or if you're not single but don't want to cook for your significant other. Dinner for one idea. I'm gonna round up my ingredients and show you how I do this. Let's do it. So I'm gonna go through my ingredients of what you'll need for this. I'm gonna start with the ahi tuna. So you're gonna need a tuna steak. I don't really have a lot of subscribers on this channel yet. So I might get some hate for this, and I know it, and I'm fully prepared. I know the fish loving people might come at me, might come for me. This is frozen ahi tuna. I know. I want to put a disclaimer out there because I know I might get some hate from any fish fanatics that are like, Fernanda, why are you using frozen tuna? Listen, hear me out. I know that getting a fresh cut of tuna from the deli counter, seafood counter, would be ideal, but given the unprecedented times that we're in, weird freaking new normal, I have been buying these pre-cut steaks in the frozen food section that are wild caught. They're already cut to size for you. I bought some tuna steaks and also salmon as well. It just makes it easier to cook during the week instead of having to run to the grocery store multiple times a week. I'm trying to not go to the grocery store that often. I try to go just once a week because I'm trying not to get COVID. So that's why I'm using a frozen steak. Frozen isn't bad. It's wild caught and it tastes hella good still. And it saves me a trip to the grocery store. This is the true sign of a lazy cook that just doesn't want to cook. So for my brown rice, I'm honestly just gonna be doing a half a cup of some frozen brown rice and I'm gonna microwave it. And then for my salad, I have organic baby spinach and kale mix. I'm gonna put 1 green onion in it. I'm gonna chop up some parsley as well. And I have some radishes as well that I'm gonna put in here. Ooh. Olive oil will be for the tuna and also for the salad. You're gonna need a whole lemon. Half is for the tuna and the other half is for the salad. An avocado, and of course our homies, pepper and salt. All right, let's make dinner. Alright guys, so we're gonna make a super simple marinade for our ahi tuna steak. You're gonna add a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, a squeeze of lime juice, a generous pinch of kosher salt, and some fresh cracked pepper. And then you're gonna mix it all up, get it nice and coated, toss it around a few times, and just make sure that you get the mixture all over the tuna steak, and then you are going to marinate this for 20 minutes. Next up, we are going to start preparing our ingredients for our salad. First up, I am going to slice up some radishes nice and thin. These are some Easter egg radishes, but you can definitely use any type of radishes that you like. Next, you're gonna grab your green onion and slice it up nice and thin. I am obsessed with green onions. I add them to pretty much everything. I feel like they're a lot milder and not as strong as like a red onion, so I'm a fan. Yay, it's time to start putting together our salad. First, you're gonna drop in your greens. This is a kale and spinach baby green mix that I got from Sprouts. Add a drizzle of olive oil. Grab the other half of your lemon and squeeze out the lemon juice.
Next, you're gonna add some fresh ground pepper. I was having some mechanical difficulties here because my pepper mill, it's just one of those cheapy plastic ones from Sprouts that you get in the spice aisle. It broke, so then I had to pick out the peppercorns in order to not totally ruin my salad and have it taste all peppery. So that was a blast. I couldn't get the pepper grinder to work, so in order to not have a meltdown, I just used regular pepper. Then you're gonna add a pinch of kosher salt. Next, you're gonna add your radishes and your sliced green onions. Yum. And then I'm gonna quickly chop up my parsley. I love adding fresh herbs to salads. I feel like it's that one key thing that just really takes it to the next level and just makes it taste so freaking good. Next, grab your sassy salad tongs and toss your salad respectfully, gently, lovingly. All right, it's time to sear our tuna steak. First, you're gonna add a drizzle of olive oil to a hot pan, and then you're gonna let it heat up for a couple minutes. Sear your ahi tuna on one side for about 2 minutes. Then you're gonna flip it over and cook it for another 2 minutes. Next up, I'm gonna slice up my ahi tuna steak. Disclaimer, I like mine pretty raw. If too much pink is too much for you, no worries. Just cook your tuna steak for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. That way you don't have any pinkness. I personally am a big fan of raw fish, but I understand different strokes for different folks, so make it how you like it.
It's so good. Alright guys, so that concludes today's videos. Let me know if you like this video because I really love making cooking videos. So if you'd like to see more videos like this, give this video a thumbs up and let me know if there's something else that you'd like to see me cook. I will see you in the next one. Bye.